Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be testing out a new concealer, and it's not very new anymore and I am behind, but I am going to be showing you guys how it works, telling you guys a little bit about it, and then giving you a review because I have used this concealer a few times. So I did want to just show you guys how to apply it if you didn't know how to apply concealer, how it looks on my skin, and kind of what I like or dislike about it. So that's what this video is going to be today, and this is centered around the e.l.f. 16-Hour Wear Camo Concealer. So this is what it looks like. So on Ulta's website, the concealer retails for $5, and I think that's what I paid for it, but I bought it at Walmart. And it says that this e.l.f. Cosmetics is the most full coverage, long-wearing formula ever. Camouflage those pesky spots and under eye circles with this high coverage, crease resistant 16-hour wear camo concealer. This creamy, dreamy formula glides on to help conceal dark circles and blemishes, and can also be used to highlight and contour the face. That's all that it says about it. So it says it's supposed to be full coverage, cover all your dark circles, and it's supposed to be 16-hour wear. I have never worn it for 16 hours. I don't know if it's 16-hour wear. I can't tell you guys that part, but I can show you guys what it looks like. So let me do my foundation really quick and we will be right back. So now my foundation is on, and I am wearing the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup in the shade Ivory Nude, in case you're curious. I'm not sure that you can tell because these lights are so bright. Let me turn them down. Okay, so I'm just going to be applying it directly to the face. And I kind of just put a little dot there and a little dot here. And then I do a dot on my eyes and then blend it out. And something I will say about this concealer is I have found it to be full coverage, like it says. By the way, I didn't tell you guys, but I have mine in the shade Light Peach, which is a little too light for me, but I make it work. But what I was saying is I like this concealer. The only thing is that it is very matte. And that's fine for me because I have oily skin. If you weren't aware, I do have oily skin. And so that's okay with me. But I do find kind of towards the end of the night, it does get a little dry on me. Like, I don't feel it, but it does look dry, if that makes sense. Okay, so the concealer is all blended out, and as you can see, it is very full coverage. It definitely hides my dark circles because I definitely do have dark circles because I don't get enough sleep. And it looks really good, I personally think. And for $5, I definitely think that, like, you can't beat it. It just blends out really nice and, like, very effortless. Like I said, the only thing that could be worrisome to some of y'all is that it is very matte. But I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup. I do normally set this down, so I am going to set it, but I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like with a full face of makeup. Okay guys, so my makeup is all done. This is what it's looking like. I went a little heavy on my bronzer. It looks a little orange, but I think it's because, like, I have on, like, this t-shirt. Personally, I think the concealer looks flawless. My face looks really nice right now, if I do say so myself. My bags are definitely covered. You can't see any of my dark circles peeking through, nothing like that. I think it looks really good, and yeah, I do really like it. I know you may not be able to tell because the lights are really bright. This is what the concealer is looking like. You can definitely see it has covered everything up. Looks good. So I did just want to let you guys know my thoughts and opinions before I do end this. I have been wearing this concealer a lot recently, and I definitely do find that it lasts a very long time. I think it looks good. I do set my concealer always, so I've never worn it unset. I mean, you could. That's up to you. I just don't do it. But I do think it looks really good. It lasts throughout the day. It lasts a long time. I think I already said that. It doesn't fade throughout the day. I personally don't find it to be, like, super drying, but I do think it is more drying than the average concealer. It is very matte, so if you are a person with dry skin, I would just keep that in mind. I mean, it is only $6, but that's also $6 of your hard-earned money that if you don't want to spend on something that's matte when you're dry, just letting you know. But yeah guys, that is pretty much everything I have for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I know this is a shorter video, but sorry, I'll do better to make longer videos in the future. We'll see. But yeah, that is everything I have for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you would consider subscribing to my channel, that would mean a lot to me, and then you could be part of the team here that is slowly growing, and I really appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!